Just rolling along here in the turfgrass field near Seattle, Washington, on the Woodinville end of the farm, which is opposite the Redmond end. You can see the shop over there in the office, 10-acre nursery. Out right here you can't see on the horizon because it's obscured by these clouds here today. Did another video or two on that today. So anyway, yeah, the starling game is starting, the bird game I call it. Take off telephoto here. Now, there's a flock of about 30 of them on my right. Here they come. Can you see those? They go around the back of the tractor and mower and come around and change directions. I think flying between upwards of 30 or 40 miles an hour at times. Although right now maybe just 20 miles an hour or 30 maybe. Little short bursts. These are starlings, beautiful birds. And I see them here several times a week surrounding my tractor, so I kind of think of them as angels right around me all the time. So I wanted to do a video on the evergreen trees up there in that mountain. It's actually only a few hundred feet high, but some people might consider that a mountain. We call it a hill around here, but it's on both sides of the valley. Behind me and in front of me there's two different hillsides full of Douglas fir trees up to 250 feet tall, like those taller ones there on the horizon might be that tall. The closer ones are 120, 150. Those maple trees maybe 100 feet tall. And there's a railroad grade behind those trees. It used to run from here to Canada, I guess, and actually to True Bellevue, Washington, and a few other places. Turning the corner here. Get a video out to you on that. Maybe in a few minutes. We've got another field being prepped over here for seeding into more turf grass. Probably this, well, probably continue prepping and possibly seed it here in late July or August. Anyway, there's the other hillside on the other side of the valley, about a mile away. And it extends north to south for quite a long ways. I have some theories on how those mountains were formed there. Back to you soon on that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.